Alright, as promised, we're now recording live from the Maria Hernandez Park. This is like a small little park in the vicinity. Prospect Park's like the Central Park of Brooklyn, but that's quite a ways away. Two train changes and whatnot. Didn't really want to be out in the snow that long. Got stuff to study, so this is like a refreshing walk through the snow in the evening. Now you may wonder why I'm so fascinated by the bloody thing. I mean, it's basically precipitation. Water freezes, turns into ice, falls. Yeah, it's all pretty and white. But you got to remember that I grew up in the desert, so the only storms I've seen are sandstorms, when it's bloody hot and you feel like your body's just burning alive on a broiler. So the snow is good. I like the cold, I like the snow. And this is actually the best time because this is when it's pretty, it's nice, it's reasonably slushy, not so bad that you can't walk, and thankfully there's no hail or sleet. We had plenty of that last night as well. So this is a great way to just, chill out, collect your thoughts, and basically be at peace, if that's not a mite too philosophical. Really want, yeah, this is what I really want you to see here. The shapes of those trees and the way the snow just accumulates on it. Now at night this can look pretty scary. It can actually look like tentacles and creepers and creatures of the night coming after you, Edgar Allan Poe style, or Stephen King for that matter. But let's keep the dance macabre out of it, and let's just enjoy the beauty. Enough of the voiceover for now. So I just want to get a look at this myself. Yeah, see, that there's what I'm talking about. Few lights on that and you could pretty much have a scene out of a Christmas wonderland. Wonder what it's up like in New Hampshire and Vermont and Maine, or Canada for that matter. God help those poor souls. Though Toronto's a lot of fun to be in, is what I've heard, but Saskatchewan, oh boy, they don't see sun for like, what, 9 months in the year? So even with the fast track to a PR, as my buddy Arnav keeps saying, nothing in the world would induce us to go there. But why bother about Saskatchewan when you're in New York City? One of the greatest places to be in the world if you're young, single, and ready to pretty much take each day as it comes, because New York will never fail to surprise you. Never fail to get bored on the subways. You can just spend hours people watching, sitting, by the park or in a cafe. It's a good time to be creative. Now, you may very well think, why the hell do you have to go to New York to do that? Because Bombay or Bangalore or Delhi can be equally creative. But it's just that in these places, there's so many people and there's so much shit going on in your daily life that you really have no time to introspect. Whereas, and of course, the fact that it's an alien city and an alien culture probably makes it all the more fascinating. But yeah, enough rumination for now. Let's. Oh wow, that's beautiful. It'd be good fun to go sledding in there.
Yes, it would have. I'm using my camera to time out.
Definitely the best time to have come out. It's almost sunset. Can you believe it? Barely 5 p.m.
See, Jack was in.
Onto this.
Boom! He's coming, he's
per me, primo!
That's the fucking ball! Where's my dick then? Over here!
Touch football game going on. Charming scene from a playground, or so you might think. The language I'm hearing out here would put some sailors to shame. But hey, that's New York. That's Brooklyn. These kids are tough.
Fucking air, bitch! What? Cross the middle!
No! Yo! He crossed the middle! Why you didn't rush him? That's short.
Hey, you! Hi! Wait!
I know he's like jumping the throat.
Yeah, David!
Fuck it in, bitches!
No! You know what, Coco? Sorry. You want a cookie?
Take me down, ready to go! You get mad.
Well, that's about it from here. Time to get back and hit the books. What an exciting date for a Thursday night, huh? Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'll just leave you to enjoy these last few images of a snowy park. And peace out, one and all.
That was